word tartil, it has, it is the act of reciting the Quran with proper, with measured and clarity, and plus adding one thing extra, that is pondering on the meaning.
Yeah.
So, and as one of the scholar, he mentioned the sayings of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he is explaining and doing tafsir of the warattilil Qur'ana tartila. He said, at-tartilu huwa tajweedul huruf wa ma'rifatul wuquf. So tartil contains two things. One is tajweedul huruf. So tajweed is sub part of tartil. So tajweed more
So is Tajweed more focused on the recitation of Holy Quran?
no, tajweed more focused on the letter and their pronunciation.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
But
more
the
focused on the
tartil-
makhraj.
Yes, makhraj, pronunciation.
Yeah.
So the letter, they have a point of articulation and their characteristics.
Okay.
So like ha is pronounced from the throat, and again ha is pronounced from the throat but with a heavy sound. The heavy sound is the characteristics, and the pronounce from the middle of the throat is the makhraj.
Okay.
So these two things are related to tajweed. So tartil is one thing more.
The order?
No, tartil is like, it has three meaning basically. So pronouncing with proper pronunciation,
Okay.
this is one part, and now reading with a slow and measured way so that you can grasp the meaning as well. So it is not like somebody is quickly reading with pronunciation, so he will not grasp the meaning.
True. Wonderful.
So tartil is basically slow, measured tone, clarity, and with precision, so that like you can grasp the meaning.
So if, for example, I'm going to recite something, and please let me know where, where is Tajweed in it and where is Tartil in it. Okay, so for example, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Yeah, it is with tartil and
Okay.
tajweed as well, both.
Wow, I passed.
Wow.
I think it's wonderful.
Tajweed is sub part of tartil actually.
Okay.
But in modern way, tajweed is basically interchangeably used at tartil as well.
Okay.
But tartil has a broader meaning that we can basically perform the rites of recitation, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran. الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يتلونه حق تلاوته. Those whom we have given them the Quran, the book, they recited with its rites. So what are the rites? They are explained as well in tartil, that some scholar has explained it. And Imam Ghazali, he explained this, that there are three organs that are used in recitation. One is your tongue.
Yep.
That is, the act of tongue is to perform it with tajweed.
Okay.
The mind should be in the meaning. That is the second thing. Your mind should grasp the meaning while recitation.
True.
And the third thing is your heart. Your heart should, while recitation, your heart should believe what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying. And you should commit yourself that this is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said and I should act upon it.
Wow.
So this is what the tartil and tajweed is.